Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tune-up report for Chuck in Michigan on this Ranger RCI 69 base. Chuck, we got it all ready for you, fully decked out. Got your bright white LED lights there in the meters for you. Tuning alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, electrolytic cap upgrades, wideband transmit, wideband receive. All my other audio mods. You wanted this thing to turn down to 1 watt, 50 watt slug there. There's your 1 watt. Roll it up. Right at 10. I'm going to show you average power swing. Low. 40 bird average. 100 watt slug and PEP. Hello 1 2. Hello audio. At 92 PEP. Roll it all the way down. Still doing excess of 90 PEP. Alright Chuck, it's ready to come your way. I appreciate it. You've been a long time customer of mine. I definitely appreciate you. I'm your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.